Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this simple, easy, delicious, amazing tuna bread rolls. This is very easy to make. Try this recipe for your kids and trust me, they will love it because it's very simple, and then the bread itself, it's amazing. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I'll add in the dry ingredients, which is flour, grated nutmeg, powdered milk, sugar, dry active yeast, I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Stir this till everything has come together and then create a well in the middle. After, I'll use the oil from the canned tuna to mix the dough. So make sure you add in the oil. Make sure you take out all the oil from the tuna and then add it to the dough or to the flour mixture. I then went ahead and added in warm milk. I'll mix these ingredients together till well combined. But the last ingredient that I'll be adding is salt. So please don't forget the salt. Add in the salt and then mix till well combined. The milk, I didn't add it to it all at once. I stirred it all, make sure everything has come together for the first time, and then after everything has come together, I added in the rest of the milk. So I'll mix this until it has formed a dough, and then I'll knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. If you want a stretchy dough, please work on the dough, give it some time and then knead it until it's stretchy. The dough shouldn't be sticky at all. I then added in about a tablespoon of oil, no, a teaspoon, just to make the surface smooth. Cover it with a cling film and then set it aside until it's doubled in size. Whilst the dough is resting, let's go ahead to mix the tuna filling. For the tuna filling, I added the canned tuna to the bowl. I then added in mayonnaise, carrots, chopped red onion, chili flakes, and red bell pepper. After, mix these ingredients together till well combined and then set it aside. So this is very simple. You can add in any vegetables at all of your choice and then stir this together. You do not want it too wet, so please don't add in too much mayonnaise. That's it, guys. Keep this aside. After 1 hour that the dough has doubled in size, I then take off the cling film, deflated the dough and then transfer it on my work surface. I roll it in the long shape and then divided it into smaller pieces. I divided mine in 9 equal parts, around 70 to 80 grams each, depending on the quantity of the size that you're looking for. Roll it into a ball shape in your palm or on your work surface. Bring one out of them and then the rest, please cover it with a kitchen napkin or a cling film. So after, bring the one, roll it in a round shape. Don't roll it too thin, around 4 to 5 millimeters. Then add in the filling as demonstrated in the video. Bring all the edges together like so and then pinch it together. So this is very simple and it's very easy. Add it to the rest, cover it with a cling film and then let it sit until it has doubled in size before baking. Once it has doubled in size, go ahead and brush on top with an egg wash and then bake these bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it, guys. This is delicious, trust me. I did the sardine on corned beef and the tuna. They are all delicious. If you want to know that recipe or how to do those ones too, please check on my channel. I have those there as well. And look at this bread rolls, guys. This is delicious. Please try me. Please try this and you will love it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. This is amazing. The bread itself, it's very soft, it's so delicious, it's yummicious. Try this and let me know in the comment section. See you till then, bye bye.